Hello, my name is Dodos the dog.
And my name is Funship Freddy.
And today, we are gonna go... bird watching! We're trying to take a picture of the Pizza Warbler. So, what does it look like, Funship Freddy?
Look, this is what it looks like.
Oh, yep, see? It has a brown beak and a pizza on its chest. And it always chirps, pizza, pizza.
Pizza, pizza. Oh.
So, come on, let's go.
Yeah. This is just a...
Okay, now we're out in the wilderness.
Yeah.
Oh no! The piece of paper is gone.
Oh. Do you remember what the pizza
Yes, it was orange, and it had a pizza on its chest, and it said pizza, pizza.
Yeah, right.
I hear a noise. You do? It must be the Pizza Warbler. Get your camera. Where is he? Up there. It's just Dorego dreaming of pizza.
Why is Dorego in the rainforest?
I don't know. Let's just keep going.
Okay. Hey, it's a Pizza Warbler!
Shh, be quiet.
Oh, it's just a piece of paper.
Wait, the piece of paper? We can pick it up.
Oh, okay.
As soon as we climb this mountain. Oh, that camera's weighing you down. Got it! We've been walking for hours and still no Pizza Warbler.
Pizza, pizza, pizza,
What's that?
pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza!
No, wait, I'm not pizza!
Perfect time to take a picture.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
And that's the end of today's Birdwatch.
Pizza, 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 pizza.